The scientific workshops provide annual meeting attendees an opportunity to get the latest scientific developments in a particular field of hematology.
These highly anticipated workshops are the catalyst for industry advancements. Clinical trials are an essential component of providing care to patients with classical and malignant hematologic disorders. The scientific workshop on decentralized clinical trials in hematology explains how knowledge gained from early clinical experiences has the potential to help inform future basic and translational research. Ash News TV spoke with co-chairs of this scientific workshop.
The key takeaways that I hope folks walk away with are that we're interested in advancing decentralized clinical trials in hematology because it provides us with the ability to increase access to clinical trials and increase diversity on our clinical trials.
We hope to provide a perspective from different angles on this new concept because, I think this is the new future for the clinical trials. However, it's still challenging at this stage.
This next scientific workshop on gene editing in hematology shed light on the most novel gene editing strategies described so far and their potential application in the hematology field. Hear from this scientific workshop's co-chairs next.
We have realized that gene editing is emerging as a key strategy to correct many different diseases and also to improve CAR therapy. And we think that it was necessary for the people coming to this meeting to know about all the advances in the field.
And I hope that what comes from this workshop is the people to say, aha, I see why people are so excited, but I also see that there's still a lot more work to be done. I also hope that it'll give them a foundation so that when they attend talks at this meeting or at other meetings or read papers or even read headlines, that it gives them some sort of context to put those materials into.